Ever wondered why some crypto coins skyrocket in value while others flop completely? It's not just hype. There are real measurable factors behind every coin's success or failure, and understanding them is key. In this video, we're breaking down the key factors that make a crypto truly valuable, and what smart investors watch for before making a move. Let's jump in. Number 1, supply and demand. Just like any asset, the value of a coin or token starts with supply and demand. If a coin has limited supply, like Bitcoin's 21 million cap, and demand goes up, the price rises. But if supply is unlimited and demand drops, the value can tank fast. That's why understanding a coin's tokenomics, how many coins exist and how they're distributed, is essential. Next up, utility. What's the point of the coin? Is the token actually useful, or just another name on the blockchain? Coins that solve real-world problems or serve a clear function tend to hold and grow their value. Here are a few examples of crypto with solid utility. Number 1, Ethereum, powers smart contracts and decentralized apps. Number 2, Chainlink, connects real-world data to blockchains. Number 3, Monero, focuses on privacy, offering anonymous transactions. If a coin doesn't do much, it might just be riding the hype wave, with nothing to back it up. Number 3, adoption and partnerships. More adoption equals more value. When people, businesses, and even governments start using a token, it boosts both credibility and demand. Pay attention to how many wallets are active, real-world usage, like payments, DeFi, and gaming, and strategic partnerships. When a coin is being integrated into real ecosystems and not just talked about, it's a strong signal that it's here to stay. Number 4, security and technology. Would you trust a coin that could be hacked tomorrow? Probably not. A coin's technology and security play a huge role in its value. Ask yourself, is the blockchain secure and battle-tested? Is it truly decentralized? Are developers actively maintaining and upgrading the protocol? If the tech is weak or security is questionable, confidence drops, and so does the value. Number 5, market sentiment and community. You can't ignore market sentiment. Sometimes, price moves aren't about fundamentals, they're about hype, fear, and FOMO. A strong community can rally behind a token and drive its value up. Just look at meme coins like Dogecoin or Pepe. But beware, if sentiment turns sour, the same community can dump just as fast. So always consider the strength and stability of a coin's community before jumping in. And lastly, number 6, regulation and transparency. A lot of new investors overlook this, but regulation and transparency matter. Projects that are compliant and open about who's behind them gain trust, and that trust can translate into long-term value. Look for coins with detailed white papers, public team profiles, and compliance with local laws. If a coin's white paper is vague or the team is anonymous with no track record, that's a red flag. So, what makes a coin valuable? Let's do a quick recap. 1. Limited supply and real demand. 2. Actual utility. 3. Widespread adoption and partnerships. 4. Strong security and technology. 5. Community hype and market sentiment. And 6. Regulation and transparency. A great coin usually checks more than one of these boxes, not just one. So, if you're evaluating a crypto project, look at the full picture, not just the hype. And that's a wrap. If this helped you understand crypto a little better, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, stay curious, stay crypto smart, and keep learning with Coinmama.